life is brilliant. My life is brilliant. My love is pure. I saw an angel, of that I'm sure. She smiled at me on the subway. She was with another man, but I won't lose no sleep on that, 'cause I've got a plan. You're beautiful.
Happy birthday, Darren!
Okay, o sige, ikaw na.
Hello, Darren. Ayun, stay na makulit. Makulit ka tayo. Ayun, wish you all the best. Hi, Darren. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and love.
Carla.
Happy birthday, Darren.
Yes.
Kahit makulit ka, mabait ka pa naman.
Oo nga.
Trisha.
Happy 18th birthday, Darren. Kahit makulit ka, nakatabi, sobrang bait ka pa rin sa amin. I love you.
Okay.
Ay, Darren, hindi tayo close pero alam ko mabait ka. Stay the same. Hi,
Last.
Darren! Happy birthday! Best wishes, saka best wishes and wish you good health. Yan.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Darren! Birthday!
Ano ba yun?
Ay, hindi ko makalimutan yung daliri mo. Lagi kang... Birthday! Sana, kagrupo ka namin. Ay, kagrupo na kita ulit sa mga groups natin.
Nalaman mo si Darren ah.
Oo nga, tapos, ayun, mag-ingat ka, pwede ka na makulong.
Oo nga, yun ka na. Gagagawa masama. Happy birthday!
Birthday!
Happy birthday, Darren! I hope you enjoy your second life. And wish you all the best, all the blessings in the world that can happen in your life. We will be supporting you for the rest of your life.
Happy birthday, Darren. Bebes ka pa rin. Mamimiss ko yung grupo natin. And sana sa 4th year na immersion
Ay,
natin,
ikaw din ah.
tayo pa rin yung magkakagrupo. So, ayun, more candles to blow. And happy birthday. Madalaga ka na.
Yun lang?
Hi, Darren. Happy
Ay,
birthday.
hello ba? Hindi ba?
Ayun, 18 ka na pala. Hindi na baby. Yun, love life. Later na yan, studies muna ha. Happy birthday.
Ganyan talaga pag walang love, studies mo.
Oo, ganun talaga, te.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Darren. I miss you kasi ang liit mo pa rin. Wala lang. Love you, Darren. Love you.
Baka na? Thanks, Darren. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Darren.
Actually, kasi lang natin maglaro ng Uno cards eh. Hindi mo napansin. Happy birthday, Darren.
Wala na kami masabi kundi happy birthday.
Ano ba?
love you, Darren.
Matanda ka na, Darren.
Alam
Nasa
mong nasa...
legitimate age ka na.
Oo, sana yung pagkilos natin nasa edad na.
Yung height okay lang.
Okay lang yan.
Huwag kang babago. Stay beautiful, stay nice. Ano ba?
Beautiful. Beautiful pa?
Stay jolly. Ano ba ba? Andito lang kami. Sana sabay-sabay tayo graduate. Oh my God. Dapat sana tayong board exam. Ayun, ano ba? And very happy message. Darren. I love you. Darren, we love you, Darren.
Love you, Darren.
Bye-bye.
I love you, Darren.
Bye-bye.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Uy! Ganun? Okay na? Uy, ever! Hindi na tayo. Dami natin siso. Tignan mo naman.